Hello everyone, today I'm back at Thruxton. Last time I was here I did a drag race in my KZ against my dad and absolutely rinsed him. I'm here for a fresh challenge today and I'm racing my KZ against my Ginetta on 3 different challenges. The first of the 3 challenges is behind me. It's an oval. I'll be doing 2 time-trialled laps around it and we'll see who's faster. My prediction is that the KZ is a lot quicker off the line, but overall it should be quite a close race. There is also a 5-second penalty if any cones are clipped. Just completed the oval race. The KZ won quite comfortably. Next up is the figure of 8. Behind me is the figure of 8. I'll be doing 2 laps in both my KZ and my Ginetta from a standing start, and I reckon that the KZ is going to win. Just finished the figure of 8 race. Although the KZ was a lot faster, I clipped a cone, which meant I got a 5-second penalty, and the Ginetta won. That makes it 1-1 for the last race, which is the slalom. Behind me is the final of the 3 challenges, the slalom, which I'll be going through in my KZ and my Ginetta, and we'll see who wins. So the KZ won the slalom, which I'm not very surprised about because it's very light and agile. This means that it's won the day overall 2-1. I'd like to thank my dad, Ollie, Nathan, Neil, Lewis and Brad. And if you think you've got anything that could beat the KZ, get in touch with me and we'll see.